Hey guys, SwatchQueen here. So for today's video, I'm going to swatch Give Me Glow Vintage Rose. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and this one is special because it is from a small business indie brand. Give Me Glow is a really good company, and I think they have a really good customer support, and their products are just incredible. I'm going to swatch this eyeshadow palette so you guys can see how beautiful Give Me Glow eyeshadows are. I also swatched Give Me Glow Cosmetics Christmas Morning Palette. I'm going to link that in the description box, so check that out. I hope you like this video. If you do, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!